Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to transfer money from your bank to Payoneer in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just managing your finances across borders, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Payoneer is a fantastic platform for receiving payments, and linking it with your bank account is easier than you might think. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Payoneer account set up. If you don't, head to their website or app and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Receive or Bank Transfer section. Here, you'll find your unique Payoneer account details, like your account number and routing information. Write these down or keep them handy because you'll need them for the next step. Now, log into your bank's online portal or mobile app. Look for the Transfer Funds or Wire Transfer option. Most banks have this under Payments or Transfers. Select International Transfer. If it's an option, then enter the Payoneer details you grabbed earlier. Double-check everything: the amount, the recipient's name, and the account numbers to avoid any mix-ups. Remember, transfers might have fees, so check your bank's policy and Payoneer's site for any additional costs. After you've filled in the details, review the transaction summary. This is your last chance to spot errors. Once you're good, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer. Some banks use two-factor authentication for security. The money usually takes 1 to 5 business days to arrive, depending on your bank and location. Keep an eye on your Payoneer account for notifications. And that's it, you've successfully transferred money from your bank to Payoneer. Pro tip: always verify currency exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies to maximize your funds. If you run into any issues, Payoneer's customer support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.